In just 30 days, ChatGPT fixed my English. Here's how. I started using ChatGPT daily for 30 days and it literally changed the way I speak and write in English. And the best part is that it's completely free. You don't need any special skills or knowledge to use it. All you need is an internet connection and a smartphone or computer. Here are the top 3 ways that ChatGPT improved my English in just 30 days. Number 1. ChatGPT helped me to learn new words and phrases. One of the biggest challenges for English learners is expanding their vocabulary. The more words you know, the better you can express yourself. But learning new words can be challenging. It takes time and effort to memorize new words and phrases. But with ChatGPT, it's easy. Simply ask ChatGPT to give you 10 new words and their meanings related to a specific topic. For example, if you want to learn new words related to travel, you can ask ChatGPT, give me 10 new words related to travel. Then ChatGPT will give you 10 new words and their meanings. It also gives you examples of how to use those words in a sentence. For example, I was so jet-lagged that I could barely function. I needed some time to adjust to the new time zone before I could be productive. In this example, jet-lagged is an adjective that means extremely tired because you have recently traveled across several time zones. This is just one example. You can ask ChatGPT for new words and phrases on any topic. And the great thing is that you can review these words and phrases at any time. If you forget the meaning of a word or phrase, simply ask ChatGPT to explain it to you. This is an excellent way to expand your vocabulary and improve your English. Number 2. ChatGPT helped me to correct my mistakes. When I first started speaking English, I made a lot of mistakes. And sometimes when you speak quickly, you might not even notice your own mistakes. However, making mistakes is an important part of the learning process. Mistakes help us to learn and improve, but sometimes we need help to identify our mistakes. And this is where ChatGPT can help you. Simply ask ChatGPT to correct your mistakes. And the great thing is that you can do this with any text. Whether it's a message, email, essay, or anything else, ChatGPT will correct your grammar, spelling, and punctuation. It also explains why it made those corrections so you can learn from your mistakes. This is an excellent way to improve your written English. 3. ChatGPT helped me to write better sentences. Writing complete and meaningful sentences is an important part of speaking and writing in English. However, it can be challenging to write a complete sentence, especially for beginners. But with ChatGPT, it's easy. Simply ask ChatGPT to help you write better sentences. And the great thing is that you can do this with any sentence. Whether it's a simple or complex sentence, ChatGPT will help you to write a better sentence. It also explains why it made those corrections so you can learn from your mistakes. This is an excellent way to improve your written and spoken English. Using ChatGPT daily for 30 days helped me to learn new words and phrases, correct my mistakes, and write better sentences. And the best part is that it's completely free. All you need is an internet connection and a smartphone or computer. If you want to improve your English, I highly recommend using ChatGPT. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.